Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on side booty. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. We're going to be doing repetitions on each exercise. Grab a resistance band and a dumbbell. Use a heavy dumbbell, and you can use 2 resistance bands, one that is more flexible so you have more range of motion, and then we're going to use a tighter one later so we can really hit those glutes and build the muscle. Let's get into the workout. So first off, we're going to start with squats and pivot. So we're going to squat and then you're going to step out. Squat back in, step out. So the goal here is to step out as far as you can, really opening your legs and getting down into the squat. So really getting deep and activating these muscles right here. We're going to do 3 sets of 15. So let's get started. Give yourself a 15 to 20 second rest. Then we're going to get into our next exercise. That's a good one right there. Okay, for this next exercise, we are going to be doing some step outs. Gotta catch my breath. Those ones are so good. So for this exercise, step, step, and back. So it's 4 steps is 1 rep, okay? 1 line is 1. So we're going to be doing 3 sets of 10. Whenever you guys are ready, let's get started. Good job, guys. Give yourself a 15 to 20 second rest. Oh my goodness, that was so good. Okay, we're gonna switch it up. No resistance band. Go ahead and grab a dumbbell. Let's take this break together. All right, guys, for this next exercise, we're gonna be doing some kick-ups. So for this exercise, go ahead and lean against the wall just for some stability. You're going to keep your opposite leg slightly bent. You don't want to be completely like this, but just slightly bent so it's more comfortable for you to get that other leg up there. We're going to be doing some leg raises here. So what you want to do is keep the weight, extend your arm as comfortable and as low as it can possibly drop. So you're just nice and relaxed in the upper body. Bend your leg and your opposite leg slightly. So we have a slight bend here and a full bend here. And we're going to bring it up. The goal here is not to help your leg with your arm. So don't bend your arm, just let it come up as it would if there was no arm there. So you'll notice the arm is comfortably just bending back. It's not going like this because I'm not lifting the weight. You want to use all of the leg to bring that weight up. And we're working out this side right here, that booty muscle. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 10 on each leg. Let's do one leg first, all 3 sets, and then we'll go ahead and switch sides. Let's get started.
No love, no light, no one to lead you out through the night. Each day, each fight, your hope is struggling and nothing seems right. Just let go of everything that hurt you and reach out for everything that's in you. And for the light, we sail until the storm is over, and everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. No love inside, nothing to cheer you up through the night. Each day, each fight, your dreams are crumbling and nothing feels right. Just break out from everything that binds you and have faith in everything inside you. And for the light, we sail until the storm is over, and everything is alright. But today we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Until the storm is over, and everything is alright. But tonight we'll just keep dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain, the rain, the rain. Dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain.
All right, good job. Go ahead and give yourself a 15 to 20-second rest, and then go ahead and grab another dumbbell for our last exercise. All right, that's pretty good. So for this last exercise, we're gonna be doing some curtsy lunges. If you don't have any dumbbells, all you're gonna do is go sideways. So working out this side booty right here. You want to step back as far as you can though. So I have a wall here. Let me pull myself up a little bit. Okay, so hopefully you can still see half my face. We're gonna go like this. So stepping back at an angle. Your front foot stays completely forward. The toe is facing forward. Everything's in line here. You're just gonna take your opposite leg behind and push forward. Now when you bring your body forward, like this way, to come back up from the lunge, go ahead and pull yourself up from the heel of your foot. So you should really feel all the weight in that heel as you bring yourself forward. Focus on that, do it one time real quick, just to feel the tension in the muscle right here. It's all side booty, okay? So if you don't have any dumbbells, just go ahead and do it without the dumbbells. Just increase your reps if you need to feel that burn. If you do have dumbbells, go ahead and bring your dumbbells in your hands. We're gonna let them hang on the sides, and we're gonna do the same motion. Step back and up. We're gonna focus on one leg at a time, all 3 sets of 15, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch legs. Let's get started. guys, that is side booty. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Woo, I'm sweaty. We did good today, you guys. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.